Geologists use a core heat sealer to make an airtight container for cores. The heat-sealed airtight container keeps any formation fluids in a core from leaking out while it is being shipped to a core laboratory for analysis. Loggers use an analytical balance to accurately weigh rock samples. They calculate a rock's density and porosity from its accurate weight. A porosimeter measures rock porosity, the amount of pore space in a rock. The more pore space a rock has, the more space available for the rock to store oil and gas. Loggers use a gas analyzer to examine samples of gas from the well. Gas analyzers not only indicate what kind of hydrocarbon gases the mud brings up, but also non-hydrocarbon gases, such as hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. An X-ray diffractometer penetrates a rock sample with X-rays. Different types of rock react differently to the X-rays, which allows well loggers to identify a rock structure. The centrifuge spins formation fluid samples at a high rate of speed. Loggers put the fluid samples into a test tube and then put the test tube into the centrifuge. The spinning or centrifugal motion separates the fluid into its components. The heaviest components, usually water, collect on the bottom of the tube. The lighter components, such as oil, collect in the tube above the water. A dry sample tray holds dried rock samples. Loggers put dry samples on the tray and then place the tray under the microscope, where they examine the samples. Microscopic examination of dried samples tells loggers and geologists much about a formation's characteristics. Mud loggers use hydrochloric acid, or HCl, to test for limestone. If a logger puts a drop of hydrochloric acid on a sample, and the sample bubbles up or fizzes, then the sample contains limestone. Limestone sometimes holds hydrocarbons. This is a computer-generated mud log. At its most basic, the log records the rate of penetration, percent hydrocarbons found in the mud at various depths, and the percentage of rock types in samples caught at the shale shaker. The log may also record other well characteristics to help the well owner drill the well efficiently and safely.